Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Sorry it's been so long. Welcome back. Elevated Trucking with Rob. Make sure y'all tune in. But look, real quick video. I mean, did my pre-trip this morning and my headlight was out. So it's a LED. This is a 2016. This is a LED. And here's the big old box for it. So I'm about to try to replace it. I'll let you know how it work out. Elevated Trucking with Rob. Thanks for tuning in. I'll let you know the price in a minute. Let me just show you. Until you see that one's working. And this one's not working. The high beam is working, but the light ain't working. Seems kind of simple. Look like you got a couple wires that you gotta detach, and then 1, 2, 3 bolts. Let's see, 13 mil bolts. Okay, real quick update. These bolts, it's actually 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then these is 3 wires to connect. But anyway, 2 of the bolts broke off of the old light, so I guess they were about due anyway. So now I gotta try to get the nut off of there, but we'll see. Here's the new one, same setup. Okay, I'm no mechanic, but some stuff is simple. It don't always work out that simple. I almost freaked out because I thought the old bolts were different size than that, and I was like, oh, I don't have the bolts. But it was a success. You see, it's back on. So it's a wire right here that I had to connect. This wire, let me go ahead and tuck that. This wire right here, this wire. So that's the turn signal, this is the low beams, and this the high beams. Alright, so I'm legal again. If it didn't cost so much, I would replace this one too. Like right now, see how it's like this. Is that in the inside? Some stuff you just gotta do yourself, man. They had to charge me an arm and a leg to put that headlight in. Hey, welcome back. Elevated Trucking with Rob again. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for everybody that subscribed to the channel. So the part, which was one light bulb, well, light, not light bulb. The light itself was $1,071.03. And then I got a couple extra turn signal bulbs just in case they go out when I'm on the road, and I can hurry up and swap them out before I don't want to drive illegal. So the total amount for parts were $1,083.41, and sales tax was $65, which makes it, for the passenger side 2016 Freightliner Cascadia, $1,148.41. I was a little shocked when I heard that price, because I know them newer lights, they got all the little gadgets in it, and excuse my eyes, I'm doing this on my phone, but I was a little shocked about the price. But you can't be that shocked when you got a big rig, because any little thing could be a major thing. So luckily I was able to not have to pay any labor, because I did it myself, which was 4 bolts, and you just take the unplug the three harnesses, the wire harnesses that was in there, and plug them back in. It was kind of like It was I want to say it was easy, but then the bolts were rusted out and it broke off of the old light, so I had to get some vice grips and hold the one side down while, and doing it by yourself is a little bit harder, but it wasn't that bad compared to what it could have been. But again, yeah, lights working now, but I actually seen it this morning when I did my pre-trip. I was like, oh, my light's out. I still had to run, man. I still had a load on me. So luckily it was daytime. So, I was able to run the load, get back before it was nighttime, and hurried up and, ordered the light from Freightliner. They had one left. And the reason why it was so much actually is because they said it's an aftermarket light. And it was one left in stock. I said, man, hold that thing. I need that. Got to run. So, again, I mean, yeah, tune in, man. Tune in. What I learn, you learn. So, till next time, Elevated Trucking with Rob. Appreciate y'all subscribing. Like the video. Helps with the algorithms. And, I'll be able to post a little more. I'm going to try to post a little more soon. I got a lot of footage. It's just taking the time to edit the footage. But this is straight off of the phone. And hope y'all enjoyed the video. Till next time. Peace out.